Hey there guys, just wanted to make a quick video. Sorry I'm out of breath. Just washed my car, but I wanted to try this mitt out. So I got this Adams Polishes Clay Mitt. It's like $22 off Amazon. And I wanted to see if it's any good compared to regular clay, which I'm guessing it will be. So, let's try it out. So here's the car, just washed it. And I guess I'm just gonna use water here. Let's see how this... It's kind of nice. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell if it's dirty or not. But one area that I know will show something is the back. So the back is where all the dirt seems to collect on my truck. Right here. So here and on the ledge and everything. So let's try this. So let's see. Oh, it's a little bug on some here. Hey, go away. Yeah, there's just so much stuff stuck in here. I don't think it's ever going to come out. Well, let me try and touch it and see if it's any smoother. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to did a decent job here. Alright, well I'll try the rest of the car and see how it goes. But yeah, so this is the mitt. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so now it's clean and dry after I did the clay mat. And, I mean, it wasn't bad to begin with, but yeah, smooth to the touch. I think it did a pretty good job, honestly. Yeah, it did a pretty good job. I mean, it's not going to get everything. Like, maybe you can see the little specks in here, but I've even tried Iron-X and that didn't get all this out. So I don't know. It's just really embedded in there if I'm going to have to compound it or what. But yeah, for the most part, it did get everything. This is mostly smooth. So yeah, it did a pretty good job. I'm pleased. I think it was worth the money. But if you've never clay barred your car, definitely do it. It definitely gets rid of all the dirt and stuff. So now to the polish and the wax.